Well, hello beauties. I did some bitch. Hello everyone and welcome back to another luxury haul. Today we are unboxing these beauties here. Next month is my birthday, so now I consider this situation like my early birthday present. And I'm really grateful and I wanted to unbox these beauties with you and really share this moment with you. We have Prada, we have Gucci, first purchase from Gucci ever, and second one from Prada. It's like the perfect gift, you know, ladies. Ta-da! Can you see? I see myself wearing them through almost every season, probably not in the winter when it's snowing, but autumn, spring, even summer. I think they will look so cool with jeans, with pants, with dresses, with skirts. Love, love, love. They are perfect. This is probably the thing I am most excited about. So I think you know what's inside. We have a handbag. This was my first experience shopping in the Gucci store here in Zurich. We went there, it was kind of end of the working day, but they were so helpful. The staff was super friendly. They offered us champagne. The service was really, really nice, and I don't have anything to say bad about it. Let's have a moment and appreciate the packaging, the box packaging. I mean, it's like the perfect gift, huh? And you can see the details. I'm not sure if you can see the pattern. This is gorgeous. Let's unwrap it and see what's inside. Ta-da! Inside ta-da! Here it is. Can you guess which bag I got? Ta-da! That's the bag. That's the purse. It's the Jackie 1961, the size small, with gold hardware, and I just in love with this bag. I being on the fence if I want to get this one or the Prada Clio. I was drawn to this one better, and I love the timelessness of the bag, the elegance. I love the fact that you have the option to wear it shoulder, like me now. I think this bag is just gorgeous and so beautiful. You have the strap, so you can adjust it and wear it like crossbody, but I love the look of this version of the bag, just with the shoulder strap, and I think that's an iconic piece. Some people say that it's not a classic piece, but I think it will stay for a while for sure as the most iconic bag of Gucci, and I am really, really grateful that I have the purse in my hands. Okay, done. I mean, I love, love, love. Here is the back side. It don't have like a pocket or something, but you see, it's like, I will open it for you. Here you can see the logo. Did you see it? The Gucci logo. And when you open it, you have some tissue paper. I have one pocket with a zipper inside to put some stuff, but it's like the concept, it's like an open bag from above, which I don't mind. You can also wear it open like this, which I think is really cool. It reminds me a bit like Kelly's bag, where you can wear it unlocked. But of course, locked is the most iconic look you can get. Here you can see what's inside, but I mean, I love it. The finish is gorgeous. The finish is gorgeous. I think that my favorite way to wear the bag will be like this shoulder. I don't mind wearing it like this, you know. It's really light, and I think it will be the perfect for each season, even during summer, like this shoulder situation. I was a bit concerned about the shoulder situation, that it will slip easily. It might happen, but I don't mind with holding it closely like this or this. I think it's so cool. Even on this side. I am really excited to wear it. And side by side, I think they look also really cool next to each other. And they will be perfect match. Although you have a bit of a metal here and here is more gold, I think they will look so cool together. That was my unboxing session with you. I am really grateful for everything. And I hope this video will be really inspiring for some of you looking forward buying this bag or these shoes. I for sure will update you like in a couple of months, year, how I love them, how I like them after wearing them for a much longer time. But yeah, I will leave you with that, and I will see you in my next video. Follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one.